What is up, Miguel and everybody? Welcome back to the Modern Roots Kitchen channel. Today on this video, I'm going to be making my mom a Mother's Day Tres Leches cake. It's going to be bomb. Stay tuned.
Alright, boys and girls, strap in because here we go. We're going to make a Tres Leches cake. Got all the ingredients laid out. I will link them in the description below so you have your exact measurements. We're gonna grab our egg yolks and our sugar, put them in a mixing bowl. Got a KitchenAid here. I'm gonna cream those together so they're nice and fluffy. I'm gonna grab our dry ingredients, flour, a little bit of salt, some baking powder. Mix that together. We're gonna add a little oil to our wet mix, milk, some Mexican vanilla extract. This is gonna be our wet ingredients. Boom, make sure there's no clumps in our flour, you know what I mean? We're gonna slowly add that into our egg yolk mixture. Make it one beautiful mixture. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Keep her going, little at a time, don't rush, take your time. Yeet. Alright, so boom, we have our cake batter. We're gonna make a chiffon cake for this Tres Leches. Gonna add that to a separate bowl. We're doing a chiffon cake because it's nice, light, and fluffy, durable cake that's gonna stand up to all that milk that we're gonna add to it. So here I got some egg whites, 5 egg whites. Throw that in our bowl. Find the right speed, grab 80 grams of sugar. Make sure it's sugar, not salt. Slowly incorporate that. We're gonna make a meringue that we're gonna fold into our cake batter. A little bit of cream of tartar. And we're just gonna whisk them until they become light and fluffy. It's gonna take a few minutes, but it'll get there. Now you want to make stiff peaks, that's how you know they're done. And now all we're going to do is we're going to fold that beautiful meringue that we just made into our cake batter. Now we're going to fold this in super lightly. You don't want to deflate all that air that you whipped into those egg whites. This is what it looks like. Slowly incorporate those together till there's no streaks left. Boom, very nice. I got a 9-inch round here with some parchment paper all greased up. I'm gonna give it a little shimmy and clean the edges before we throw it in a 325-degree oven. We're gonna bake it for 40 minutes. Boom, 40 minutes later, we're gonna take it out. Sucker looks good, we're gonna let it rest for an hour, and then we're gonna cut it out, flip it, and take our parchment paper off. Boom, back into the pan we go. Now we're gonna get our Tres Leches. Got some evaporated milk. Boom, 1 leche. Half and half. That's technically 2 leches. And some sweetened condensed milk. That'll be 4 leches. 4 leches. I'm gonna go ahead and mix those up in a bowl. We're gonna stab our chiffon cake with a fork. Make sure those leches get seeped in like a sponge. Just keep ladling over that mixture, letting it soak in. I went for 3 ladles for this size cake. I find that it has the perfect consistency for a 9-inch round of this recipe. I'm gonna get ready to decorate. I got some beautiful strawberries and chocolate here. Grab my mixing bowl from the freezer. I like to use a super cold bowl. We're gonna make some whipped cream. So I got some heavy whipping cream, super cold bowl, and we're just gonna whip it, man. That's how you make whipped cream. Throw in some dark chocolate in the microwave to melt. Shout out microwaves. Gonna add some sugar to my whipped cream, 1/4 cup. Mix my chocolate, throw her back in, and let's flip our cake over, see how we did. Beautiful job, beautiful job. Shouldn't be too much seeping out, just a little bit is fine. Clean that up. Add a little bit of cinnamon, a little bit of vanilla, and a little bit of cream of tartar to our whipped cream. Stir our chocolate. It was in the microwave for a minute total. I'll throw some white chocolate in there también. And we're gonna go ahead and dip some strawberries. My mom is a big chocolate fan, so I wanted to implement some chocolate for sure in this 3 leches. Boom, stir our white chocolate. Keep our whipped cream moving. Boom, let's coat our white chocolate strawberries. Now keep an eye on that whipped cream. You don't want to over whip it. It will turn into butter eventually. Gonna let our strawberries go in the fridge for a little bit to set up. Make sure you do some towel tricks before you ice the cake. We got our beautiful whipped cream, homemade. And we're gonna ice this cake. Now I don't have a cake turner, so I'm just kind of go with it. Just put an even layer of whipped cream all the way around. Make sure you get an apron for this part. It could get messy. Clean up our edges a bit. Strawberries are nice and set up. I went ahead and melted down a mixture of the dark chocolate and the white chocolate together to make like a milk chocolate. I'm gonna drizzle them over, a little bit of them. I'm gonna lay my strawberries around the perimeter of our 3 leches while my dog stares like we don't feed him. Got some beautiful raspberries, beautiful strawberries. You know, have some fun with this part. Whatever your mom likes. Some blueberries and raspberries in the middle. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go take it to my mom. She loved it. Shout out, Mom. My mom's actually a local Mexican folk artist. I'll link all her stuff down in the description if you're interested in purchasing any of her stuff. She goes by Con Cariño. Really amazing stuff. Go check her out. Y'all do me a big favor and like, comment, and subscribe on this video. I'll see you guys in the next episode.